Oh, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. This is a gold brief. I'm doing gold through GDX ETF, and I'm really bullish. And I have extreme confidence in myself, and I call myself Mr. Gold. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. Please, before I start, if you like, share, subscribe. If you want this material regularly. All right, let's start with the USD, the index DXY for the US dollar. All right, so what do we see here? I see a bearish formation in the DXY via consecutive red candles and negative divergence with a confirmation of bearish disco combo. I was asked, what is a bearish disco combo or bullish disco combo? It is when you have a negative mode in the MACD, stochastic, and also the RSI below 50. Good deal. So negative disco combo, bearish disco combo in the DXY. All right. This is one of my setups for going long or going short on GDX via the dust, or going long on GDX, the second attempt of the 50 level in the upside or downside. It's definitely extremely buoyant. All right. So I did that number, and if you follow me, if you're one of the two people that follow me, I called the top in GDX back in late December. All right, now I'm calling the bottom. I call top and bottom GDX. If you are the two people that follow me, you will know who I am. Okay, GDX bottom is in. Okay. And once we close below 50, the fireworks would start. It's the RSI going below 50, and this bad boy explodes. This bad boy go above 50 here, and GDX gets in meltdown mode. This is me. Okay, good, beautiful. So I did that number. Now, let's talk about GDX by itself. All right. So we have a capitulation volume. This is what I loved in Feb 13th. I noticed that back then, so I took a note. I got bullish on Feb 23rd. All right. So here, bearish. It's bullish capitulation, where you have high volume in extreme price destruction with a gap down. Okay, and by Zue, this is, it happened 100% of the time. Every time you have an extension or a Fibonacci extension of 162% of ABC, you have a bounce in the past. What's the percentage in GDX? 100%. Good deal. ABC, 162 Fibonacci extension. Definitely a tradable bottom. Definitely the bottom is in for GDX by itself. Good deal. Let's look at the Euro USD. I have a setup usually before I go long or short on GDX. I check the Euro USD. So if I want to go to long on GDX, I check here bullish Euro USD for the Euro USD in GDX. So check. Good. Let's go back to this. Goodbye. Another check. The 30-year yield. I always love to see a bearish MACD in the euro in the USD in the 30-year yield. And usually when this happens, good things happen in GDX. What's the percentage? 100% of the time. So you had here one time. It's okay. So I did not go long that time because I was looking at other stuff. Okay. But before that, see? Oh, good times. Before that, good times. Okay. So check bearish MACD in the 30-year yield. Check. Now let's look at the JPY, USD JPY. Check. Negative. A negative MACD. Good deal. This usually the second, I call the 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So you have second attempt usually is almost always right. Okay. So last time this happened here, this is the first attempt. So let's look at the second attempts, and you can see it's a setup. You have, this is 1 2. Let's look at that. Okay, good. So please, before I leave, like if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, disco is forever.